Today is Harvest Day, Honey Harvest Day, our very first harvest, our Baltimore Beehive rooftop beehive, yeah. Peppermint is also very excited about this.
Alright, pulling out our first tray here. Okay, we got a good number of bees. This one's all honey, about 3/4, almost all the way filled. We got a little bit of gaps in there. So we'll harvest that one. So this is the fun part. This is where we really piss off some bees. Make sure we're not going to squish any on the second round.
I'm zooming in for this.
Alright, so we got almost all of the bees out. This is really cool actually. They've actually built tunnels into the hive, so it's very natural. That's how they like to do it when they build a natural hive in the woods or something into a tree. So now that we've got them almost all the way off, we're going to grab the bee brush, just brushing off.
Coming behind you.
So get out, go somewhere else.
I think there are a couple more in there.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch in there. So this tray is significantly heavier than that last one, and you can see most of these honey cells are capped actually, which means the honey is already in there and the bees are saving it for mostly winter. They make honey for winter, but they make it in excess, so it's okay for us to take the extra. And this, yeah, like I said, this is just so heavy compared to that last one, so we're going to harvest this one. I want to be sure not to crush any bees here. They are family now.
Alright, looking good.
Great. You have 2 of them on your phone.
I know. And our first bucket o' honey.
Oh, this is so heavy. We also spilled a bunch of it on the floor, on the back, the floor of the roof down there. Oh, I've got a little bee on my shoulder. Hello, little bees. Hello.
While Mark is heating up the knife, look at the honey just dripping from the sides. I am so excited. All right.
All right. So, took a piece of scrap wood, notched it so it sits nicely on. This is actually a beer bucket. We have a piece of, what is this, like cheesecloth or something? I use it.
That's a mesh, yeah.
Yeah, mesh. I use it for grains most of the time. And then got a little, just a wood screw in there. So, little knife. We're going to just open up these caps.
Oh, look at that honey!
This is just opening the caps. I don't think I'm doing this quite right. I might switch to a fork. And now...
Oh my gosh, it smells so good!
Ooh, yeah. Okay. So now we're going to...
Oh my gosh, so much honey. Oh man!
Goodness.
This is amazing.
And the bees did all the work. They even work on Sundays. Wow.
That's amazing. Smells good.
And
Alright.
go.
Oh, man! Look at that! That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. There's so much honey. That was a beautiful shot. I'm like salivating doing this. This is so good. Alright, so we realized that this one actually has some brood on it, not just honey. And these are little bees literally getting born right now.
And there's a little honey cap that...
Ah! It's a new bee!
Newbie.
It's a newbie! 2 newbies!
Yeah,
And-
they have to eat through a little honey cap to be born. And that's what they're doing right now.
While Mark harvests other honey.
And then I'm going to put this tray right back in there. And next season I'll probably set the hive up so the queen can't get to these upper sections. And so it's just honey upstairs in these parts of the hive. And we can get a little bit better of a harvest.
Our little newbies.
Oh, where are you going, little bee?
Peppermint is also not sure what's going on, but she's very into this whole honey harvesting situation. There's a lot of spillage.